Hey everyone and welcome back to another video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your phone number on the Airbnb app. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals. Let's say that you want to go ahead and change your phone number on the Airbnb app. How do you actually go ahead about doing so? Now this video is going to be short, sweet, and simple, guys. There's not going to be a lot of steps involved. Now, in order to do this, what you're first going to do is log on to Airbnb. Next, click on your profile on the bottom right hand corner, then click on account settings, then click on personal information, and then towards the middle, you're going to see a phone number section. Click on edit next to the phone number and then click on add another phone number. But there you have it, guys. That right there is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and change your phone number on the Airbnb app. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. I would love to know. Thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.